shelter. A short moral story. In a quiet meadow stood an ancient tree with sprawling branches and deep roots. Birds nested in its arms, weary travelers rested in its shade, and children played around its sturdy trunk. Seasons passed, and the tree endured storms, heat, and cold, always offering its shelter. One day, a woodcutter approached, axe in hand. "You've given so much. Rest now," he said. But the tree replied, "My purpose is to give. Take what you need." The woodcutter left, humbled by its selflessness. Moral: true fulfillment comes not from taking, but from giving selflessly to others. Thank you for watching.